This is really the deepest part of the whole ditch. Look how it drops off like 2 feet down. We've got like a step. But what do you think? South wind? Think it'll work?
I think it should be pretty good for the cross coming through.
Yeah, it's gonna be. We're gonna be decoying them, you know, on the side. I think it's our best bet.
How's it going, folks? We are back. We're doing big things. It's been a minute. You know, I spent like 8 months in Mexico, it feels like, and now I'm back in the frozen Arctic.
Oh yeah, it's cold.
Of Kansas, and I am with my boy Bobby Guy Films. His
Yo,
name is Bobby Guy, and he films. So if you guys like waterfowl hunting, his channel will be linked down below. You go check it out. He's like the waterfowl dude on YouTube right now. But we have some important news. This guy here, you guys can't see it at all, but this is the first ever ducks call. It's a duck call by ducks right here. I'll drop the link down below. It is available right now. Very limited quantity. We just had a small run of these guys. Absolutely phenomenal sounding, and you guys have been really asking for these, so we did bring them. It's a little bit late in the season, I know, but they're here. So if you guys want them, I will drop the link down below. You should totally check them out. We gotta set up a bunch of decoys. How many decoys we got today?
It's the whole trailer, so I don't know, 1,500.
Hopefully we whack them. Stay tuned, folks. Well, folks, we are all set up and ready to go. We're gonna do a little bit of brushing. As you can see, decoy just fell over, but it's light out, cloudy. It's been pretty cold though, so we're thinking the birds aren't gonna fly for, you know, maybe the first couple hours of daylight. We're really hoping for some ducks to pour in here though. Finish brushing the blind and then hopefully we shoot them. Well, folks, as you can see, there's a lot of birds in the area, but they're not landing where we want them. They're landing like, I don't know, probably 100 yards away from us, basically not in shooting distance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up the decoys that are closest to us, move them out there in hopes that that will just kind of bring them a little bit closer. We're not really sure what to do. Right now we're on the edge of a field and we don't have layout blinds, so we can't really go in the middle. So we're gonna kind of stay here, move some decoys around, shuffle them around a little bit in hopes that they come a little bit closer.
Shoot him! That's a dead boy. Oh yeah.
I smoked him on that.
Yeah, you did, Preston. Is that Preston that smacked him?
Oh yeah. On that last shot.
Right there.
I had to finish him for you guys.
No, he don't have any black on it. Woo! Bang bang, boy!
There we go. Got him.
God dang!
See, right there, baby. We got a speck. There's no. Would you just chill out? We got a nice speck here. That's bird number 2. We made the adjustments with the decoys, and we had two singles come in like 5 minutes apart, and we got them. None of the big groups have committed yet. Woo! What's going on, everybody? We're out here in beautiful Kansas. Gonna be doing a little bit of goose hunting. It is the next day. It is so cold right now. It's like, I think actually, what's the actual temperature? Like 8? Something like that, 7 degrees. I think the wind chill is like -8 or -9 right now with the wind. It's a little bit late though. It's past noon. We ate some breakfast, slept in a little bit. The only reason why we did that was because basically it's so cold that the birds were not flying. Well, when we came to this field earlier, like a couple hours ago, there were thousands of snow geese, specks, lessers, honkers, everything were in this field. And so we basically sat in the trucks and we waited, and I didn't vlog in this, I probably should have. We waited for them to leave. So they came here, They left the roost, they came here, fed, then they left, and they're getting a drink right now. So as they're getting a drink, we're gonna set up 2 giant trailers filled with decoys, socks, decoys, full bodies, everything. And then we're just gonna literally lay in the field right here. And hopefully when they come back, they land in our spread. And it's gonna be absolutely magical moment. We're hoping for the best, folks. Stay tuned. How was that, folks? That was pretty sick. Got the Argo here. Shout out to Preston for bringing down the Argo. But had to park this in the bushes. We're walking back to our spread right now. You guys are not gonna believe how big of a spread it is. I think we calculated it was like between 12 and 1,300 decoys we have out right now.
2 trailer fulls.
2 trailers. And we haven't seen a single goose since 11 a.m. And right now it's about 2. So I've got mixed feelings on how this is gonna go. I guess we'll just see. What do we got, boys?
Oh, just a couple whiteys.
Right in the hole.
Albino chickens, boy.
Someone get their shoot him. Yeah! Oh, he backflip it. Triple backflip, baby. He needs to be in the damn Olympics. Kill him! All the damn boys are dead! Woo! Get ready.
Oh, here it is. Here's the tornado. Here's the tornado. Oh!
What do you think about that?
Oh, son! Oh, it's... Oh, shoot! Oh! Oh, baby. It's getting real dirty, son. Real dirty.
Woo! Bad, dude, bad. Kill!
First speck, son?
Yeah.
There we go. We got a bunch of snows and then a nice little speck.
Make them both. Don't let them all. High shot them here. Kill him! Kill
What do you think there, Bob?
Woo! Best snow goose hunt I've ever been on. It's one of them deals, you know, you sit out white spreads for 4 years, and by far this is my best one by far.
How many birds have we shot so far?
We're over 40, well over 40.
What's the limit for those uneducated,
Oh,
non-pro hunters?
Right, so in Kansas, it's 50 snows per man, per day.
How many guys do we have here?
What do we got, 8? 8.
Well, folks, as you can see, we haven't been doing any calling, and we're literally laying in painter suits, half painter suit, half camo. We're not having to call these snows. This is absolutely absurd. Best snow goose hunt of my entire life.
Crab! There we go. There's some high boys there. 1, 2, 3.
Look at that. Right there, son. Got a nice little snow goose. We're having to shoot them kind of high right now. They're not completely committing. Sun's going down. There's birds everywhere. We got to go. Oh, I'm going to catch this one. I'm going to catch it. No!
Oh my God, I didn't see that coming.
Oh my God.
Get it, fork. Get it, fork. Get that one.
Woo! Smoked him, baby. That was awesome. We almost actually caught those birds falling. There's still more there. Whew.
Take him!
Watch that one.
Oh, I got him! Oh my God, I got him! Dude! I sniped that far one. All right, folks, that's the end. We're actually calling it early. They're still shooting like you can still legally shoot. We don't want to pick up all 2,000 of these decoys in the dark, and we had fun. We don't need to keep killing more, but we got to take the Argo and go find all the cripples that are running around. So this might be kind of fun.
I just grabbed it.
We got one. Get him, boy, get him. Snagged it. Woo. Got him.
We got that one.
That boy dead. That's 6.
Snow.
8. That's 8.
Go get it. Dive.
He thought he was getting away. Woo, look at that, folks. That's a few birdies. The official count is 60 something, so that's not really an official count. Dirty, how many we got? You were the one that counted this. You're still in college, so we're gonna rely on your answer. What do we have?
10 times 6 plus 2.
4 here.
14.
62.
So we have 62 snows. 62 snows. What do you say? 4 lessers and a speckle belly. It's a pretty darn good day, folks. What is absolutely absurd is that is barely over 1 limit of snow geese. There's obviously an overpopulation issue. So if any of you haters are freaking out because we shot 62 snows, the limit's 50 a person for a reason, folks. So just keep your comments to yourself. Well, howdy, folks. We are in the old shop here. Got to cut up all these geese. You know, we gave some to Preston, gave some to Way. We split them up a little bit, but we took what we thought was fair for our share. But this guy right here, haven't talked much about it. We got the Ducks Waterfowl Co. fillet knives. Now this is new. B Dirty likes it, and we are going to use it today to slice up all these snow geese. But anyways, I'm just gonna end the video here because I'm sure you guys had a great time watching and us cutting up birds. Well, one, get demonetized, and two, you guys probably don't really care about. If you guys want to know how to clean snow geese, well, surprise, it is the same as regular geese and ducks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out duckswaterfowl.com. I will link it down below, as well as Bobby's channel will be linked down below. Had a great time with the boys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you leave a like, drop a comment down below, let me know where you want me to go next as far as hunting goes. See you guys next time. Peace!